Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for English honors. We'll cover essential strategies to help you excel in your coursework. English honors often involves deep textual analysis, critical thinking, and sophisticated writing. By implementing these 4 key areas, you can significantly improve your understanding and performance. We'll explore active reading, effective essay writing, vocabulary building, and grammar mastery to ensure your success throughout the academic year. Active reading is fundamental for English honors. Don't just read words, engage with them. Use a system of highlighting and note-taking to mark important themes, literary devices, and character developments. Ask questions as you read and try to predict outcomes. This deep engagement helps you recall information more effectively and prepares you for class discussions and analytical essays. Aim for at least 3 to 5 annotations per page to truly grasp the material. Essay writing is a cornerstone of English honors. Focus on crafting compelling thesis statements that offer a unique perspective on the text. Support your arguments with specific textual evidence, using direct quotes and detailed analysis. Structure your essays logically with clear topic sentences for each paragraph. Practice outlining before writing to ensure coherence. Aim for at least 3 revisions before submitting your final draft to refine your ideas and language. A robust vocabulary and strong grammar skills are vital for sophisticated communication. Dedicate 15 minutes daily to learning new words, focusing on their usage within sentences. Understand common grammatical errors and actively work to correct them in your writing. Utilize resources like style guides and online tools to refine your prose. Clear, precise language elevates your essays and demonstrates a deeper understanding of the subject matter, making your arguments more persuasive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.